I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the weirdest gadgets I've ever reviewed on this channel. It's called the Divoom Ditoo, and it's a combination of a speaker and a pixel art screen. It's got a 10-watt audio power, pixel art creation through the app. There's an app for it, a smart alarm, online gallery, DJ mixer, programmable LED, daily tools. I wonder what that means. Internet radio stations, social media notification, online community, and a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So the entire package looks like this. It really does look like a 1980s style desktop computer with the mechanical keyboard. There's a lever here. I don't know what that does, if that does anything at all. Oh, look at this. On the right side, you've got a micro SD card slot. So it seems like you can save your music onto a micro SD card, pop the card inside, and access your music directly from the speaker. You've also got a power button and a USB Type-C charging port. Seems like the speaker driver is facing upwards, and you've got a bass port at the back too. So I'm gonna fire this up, see what greets us on the screen. Okay, now this is very interesting. It's showing me the Bluetooth icon. There's some backlighting on the keyboard too. Okay, let's try the keys. This should be volume up. Yep, volume down. Oh gosh, it's a lot of travel there. It brings me back to when we were all using mechanical keyboards. Oh, that sounds good. This is the mode key, and this is how you toggle between the different modes. Using the arrow keys, you can select games. I guess this is pixel art. I don't know what this is. Clock. Music. Games again. Okay, let's try games. Okay, so maybe here we can select the different games. Ah, this looks like Snake. The key to start, okay. No, down. Oh man, I'm too slow. Okay, let's try again. Again, I'm too slow. This brings back a lot of memories because I used to play Snake a lot on my phone because that's practically the only game I have on my phone. It comes with a USB Type-C to Type-A cable, some literature, and some cute little stickers from Divoom. Check this out. This is what I look like when I get mean comments. Okay, sound quality check at 50% volume. Let's go. Okay, let's increase its volume maybe to 100%. Let's see how loud this can get. It's pretty loud. Yeah, it can get pretty loud. There's quite a bit of low end there. Good clarity too, even at higher volume levels. Alright, now let's move on to the next song.
Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to could be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now, wanna make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
Let's try pushing the volume up.
I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like
Okay. It managed to remain quite distortion free even at higher volume levels. Bass, however, did suffer a bit. There was a bit of distortion there in the bass range. But I gotta say that for a speaker of this size, it sounds pretty awesome. I mean, it's loud, and at higher volume levels, it's able to maintain a good degree of clarity and low distortion. And it punches pretty low too for a single speaker driver. There is already a small collection of animations on the D2 speaker that you can put on the screen, but if you don't like any one of these pictures and you wanna say create your own animation, you can access the Divoom app. This is where you do it. This is where you create your own design, you know, maybe draw a heart shape or something. Yep, this is a terrible looking heart shape. But if you're as bad at art as I am, you can also take a shortcut and access a whole list of community contributed animations. So you have this entire collection here. There are several different categories, very nice, but there's one here that looks very interesting. Is this one of Mario? So I'm just gonna go ahead and save this into my D2 speaker. And yep, Mario. But how about a YouTube logo? Maybe I should select one, maybe with a sub counter. How about that? Yeah, but it looks like this cannot be linked to YouTube and take my sub count directly from there. I will have to write my own sub count down. Let's see if we can erase everything. I have 19 4 oops 4 5 I'll say 1. What is this? 1. Come on, give me a 1. Yes. If only I could link this to my YouTube account and get it to grab my sub count directly from there, it would be much more efficient, I guess. But you know, for a speaker with a screen on it like this, pixel art that costs $79 US, I can't really ask for much, because if I want a real-time sub counter, I'll have to probably pay like 4 or 5 times that amount. So what can I say? The Divoom Ditoo portable speaker, $79 US, very attractive looking, pixel art screen on it with mechanical travel keys. I like it, and I think for 79 bucks, this is definitely worth a look, especially if you want something nice sitting on your desk that does more than just being a speaker. If you want to check it out, I've included a link to this speaker in the description box. Hang on a second, let me just... stays there from now on. Thanks for watching. My name is Aaron. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by punching that like button with a vengeance, Bruce Lee style, and sharing this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you again, bros and sisters. Arrivederci. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.